Okay, so this one is a review of the EMAF exponential equation that we have. So in EMAF exponential equation, our idea is to make same base. Our idea is to make same base so that we can compare the power. So that is the kind of exponential equation that we learned it in EMAF indices. So it will still be applicable, it's just that we're going to layer in a bit more. So before we layer in, you just have to recall some of the thing that you have done in EMAF indices. Okay, so for example, okay, I'm going to show two examples. So the example that I'm going to show will be something on this one. So if you look at part C, there is a square root. So some of you may need to recall what is the power for square root. Square root is a half. So that's how I change a root 2. And you also have to be sensitive to numbers. 8 is something like 2 cubed. So from here, you can see that the base started to change already. And then we got double power. So in indices, we will multiply the double power. So that gave us 1.5x. And for fraction, we also have a rule. Okay, the rule is this one, which a lot of you might forgot. So this is the rule that account for the power, for the fraction. So from here, I gotten it as a same base. So that's where I can compare the power. So that is just a sample. Okay, so we can as well have a question like H. So in H, right, this is a subtraction. So this is, and there is a 0 on this side. So it allows us to bring it over. And as we bring it over, you should be sensitive that these two are very nice number. 16 is a 4 square. So again, from here, I got the same base. So I got the same base, so that allows me to compare the power. But this time around, if I compare the power, I end up as a quadratic equation. So that's quite possible. So you got to do the usual way of quadratic. So how do you solve a quadratic equation? So that is the basic idea of EMAF exponential equation.